Here's how to delete your Instagram account in 2026. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. Now we need to get your settings to be able to delete your account. So tap on your profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now they've moved around recently where the account deletion button is. I'm going to walk you through two different examples depending on where it is for you on your device. Now let's tap on Account Center here, and you're going to look for personal details towards the bottom. If you see personal details, great, you can tap on that. However, if you don't see personal details, you can just exit out here, and in the search bar, we're going to type in deletion, and you can see deactivation or deletion pops up. Just tap on that. And now from here, you'll be able to see I'm going to choose Instagram. And then in this case, I'm going to choose to delete my account permanently. Now let's hit continue and I'll show you what it looks like. It says I'll lose access to Instagram and Threads. And it says you might want to download your information because you'll lose it all. Let's just hit continue. And then at the bottom, let's hit continue or just choose something random and hit continue. Now from here, it does say you might want to export your information so that you have all those photos, the stories, etc. onto your phone or computer in case you want them. And then at the very bottom, just hit the continue button. And then you'll just enter in your password one last time and then hit the delete button and you will have deleted Instagram. Keep in mind, you can just log back in within 30 days to recover your account if you choose to do so.